This flatworm looks like an alien. There must be a spring under this dry tree. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments.
I have never in my life seen anything like this.
Looks like a great reason to buy a garage.
Oh my god, is that I forgot. Yeah. Look at this.
We might want to stand back a little bit from the window, because these are getting pretty big.
These are baseball flyers, guys.
Oh, these are, oh my god, it's raining trees.
It's like literally a hailstorm.
Are we okay? Is there anything above us?
I don't know. I told you a piece of my ceiling came out.
Oh my god.
Look at the.
Oh my god.
Hiding underwater during an earthquake isn't the best plan. On the right, you can see the 300-meter Key Rem waterfall, which, during strong winds, turns this stretch of road into a scene from an apocalyptic movie.
अम्ब्रेला नहीं है ना? वो बादल नहीं, वो पानी का ये है। पानी है? वो पानी का ये है। हाँ। मत जाइए भैया, भैया नहीं जाना है ना? हाँ ठीक है। वाइपर चलाइए, वो चलेगा।
Danger, danger, danger! Holy crap!
Here's what's really hiding beneath the tip of the iceberg. Even from a distance, that tornado looks pretty ominous.
I feel bad for Miss Williams now.
It should be north of her place.
Oh, that's still pretty close.
I'm curious if people in the area where these guys live ever pick up fish from supermarkets. An earthquake measuring 7.5 on the Richter scale tears through asphalt like it's a soaked paper towel. This This is the Hunger volcano, and its eruption was so powerful that the shockwave was felt in 11 nearby countries. It's hard to believe this liner weighs 230,000 tons when the wind pushes it around so effortlessly.
Look at that damn wind, cuz. Woo! Oh! Oh! Kissing it! Kissing it! Oh! Connection, baby.
It turns out, some turtles can be soft, and they sleep by burying themselves in mud.
这边日落，然后这边你看是彩云，然后刚下过雨还有彩虹，哇，闪电！
This guy hit the jackpot. 2 sunsets, a rainbow, and lightning. These guys were incredibly lucky.
Whoa. Oh, Jesus. Oh my God.
Being right by the water isn't necessarily a good thing on all beaches.
Yeah. This is a massive job. Yes.
They call this crater the door to hell, and it seems like it's wide open. Though the avalanche moves slowly, it can wipe out everything in its path. Did you know in Dubai, cars are sold without heaters? Their trailer was this close to following the trees. or it's gonna be like this. Fun fact, some cities are building mud flow channels to control this powerful force of nature.
Spingere, cavalli. Spingere. Guarda che là c'è l'acqua sotto. Fiume.
This POW filmed until the very end. Well done. Why do men tend to have shorter life expectancy? Because they think it's a good idea to film landslides on their phones.